You're losing testosterone every night and you don't even know it. Gentlemen, listen carefully. If you sleep less than 6 hours, you are destroying your testosterone every single night. But don't skip this video yet, because in a second, I will tell you what truly raises testosterone naturally. I am Dr. Umidjon Shoyusupov, an endocrinologist who helps thousands of men every year bring their hormones back to life. Welcome to day one of our 30-day testosterone boost plan. Trap of the day: lack of sleep. During deep sleep, your body makes testosterone in powerful waves. Each full cycle is like a small explosion of energy production. But when you sleep less than 6 hours, those waves disappear, and your morning testosterone drops dramatically. In a famous study from the University of Chicago published in JAMA, young healthy men slept only 5 hours each night for 1 week. By the end of the week, their testosterone was about 15% lower, and they felt older, weaker, and slower. The reason is simple. Less sleep means more cortisol, the stress hormone. Cortisol sends a message to your brain: stop producing testosterone. You don't need a supplement for that. You need deep, regular sleep, the natural fuel for your hormonal balance. Now the secret I promised: the breakfast that restarts testosterone. Product of the day: whole eggs with yolk. For years, men were told that egg yolks are dangerous, but the truth is, the cholesterol in the yolk is the building block your body uses to create testosterone. Without it, the factory cannot start. A review published in Nutrition, Metabolism, and Cardiovascular Diseases proved that men who followed a low-fat diet lost about 12% of their testosterone. Another study from the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found the same. When men ate very little fat and too much fiber, their testosterone fell. So if you want to build hormones, you must feed the factory. 2 whole eggs a day. Simple, natural, and powerful. Next, the movement that keeps testosterone alive. Activity of the day: brisk walking for 20 to 30 minutes. Your belly fat is not just fat, it is an enemy of testosterone. Inside it lives an enzyme that turns your male hormone into estrogen. When you walk, you block that process. Researchers from Frontiers in Physiology showed that older men who walked daily for 12 weeks increased their testosterone by 8% and reduced body fat by 2 kilograms. Walking boosts circulation, lowers stress, and protects your hormone balance. You do not need a gym, just movement. The invisible trigger your body forgot: sunlight. Supplement of the day: vitamin D3, only if you are deficient. Vitamin D is not a vitamin, it is a hormone switch. When sunlight touches your skin, it activates receptors inside your testicles called Leydig cells. These receptors tell your body, produce testosterone. In a clinical study from Hormone and Metabolic Research, men who took vitamin D for 12 months increased their testosterone by about 1/4. Another study in the Journal of Steroid Biochemistry and Molecular Biology proved that blocking the vitamin D receptor reduced testosterone by nearly 40%. So if you work indoors, check your vitamin D once a year. It is the ignition key to male vitality. The hidden blood sign most men ignore. Symptom of the day: anemia or low hemoglobin caused by low testosterone. If you feel weak, pale, or out of breath, it might not be your heart. It might be your hormones. Testosterone tells your bone marrow to produce red blood cells. When it drops, your oxygen transport slows down, and so does your life. Research in JAMA Internal Medicine proved that men treated with testosterone normalized their blood levels far more often than those on placebo. Another large trial in JAMA Network Open confirmed. Restoring testosterone also corrected anemia in more than 40% of men. When testosterone rises, energy rises, blood is stronger, muscles respond, the body wakes up. Final message: tonight, start with sleep. Real, deep, 7-hour sleep. Tomorrow morning, eat your eggs, take a walk, and catch some sunlight. Within days, you will feel your body changing, not because of magic, but because you return to the rhythm nature designed for men. See you tomorrow for day 2, where we will uncover how testosterone controls your mood, confidence, and motivation.